Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'll help you how to update your Instagram messenger. So let's start without wasting any time. So here you can see the messenger of my Instagram app is oldest version. So how can we update it? So first of all, go back and open your Play Store app and search your Instagram. Click on Instagram and make sure that your Instagram app is updated. So if not updated, then you need to update it, and after this go back and open your settings. Click on apps and notifications and click on Instagram. So click here, and after this click on storage and cache and click on clear storage. So if the settings of your Android phone is different from me, then I'll tell you the shortcut of this process. The shortcut is click and hold on Instagram app and click on app info, and after this click on storage and cache. So you need to clear storage and click on OK. So after doing this, go back and open your Play Store again and search your messenger. And click on messenger, and you need to download it. So I have already downloaded, therefore I am clicking on open. So after downloading you need to click on open, and this interface will be open because I have attached my Facebook account with this messenger. So after this you need to click on three lines and click on settings, scroll down and click on see more in account center. Click here and click on accounts and click on add accounts. Click here, and here log in your Instagram account. So here you need to write your phone number or Gmail or username, and below you need to write your password. And after putting your information, you need to click on login, and your Instagram account will merge with Facebook Messenger. After this your problem will be solved. So if not solved, then go back and open your Instagram app and click on your main profile and click on three lines. Click here, and here you can see update messaging. So you need to click here and click on update. So after this select your Instagram account. So this is my first account, Instagram. Click here and click continue and click continue. Yes. So after doing this, open your home page, and here you can see my messenger is update. So if you want to update your messenger, then follow my steps and you will be able to update your Instagram messenger. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.